are going to talk about how to install Omnistudio package in Salesforce new Omnistudio standard designer, right? So from summer 25 release onwards, Omnistudio is no longer visible as a traditional install package in the new Salesforce orgs. Earlier, you could verify installations from install packages, but now newly created orgs will not show any Omnistudio or Vlocity packages, right? So this is expected behavior because Omnistudio is now provisioned and managed automatically by Salesforce in the background, reducing the reliance on the external package installations, right? So if you create this org after the Spring 25, then you can't find the packages under Omnistudio package or Velocity CMT or Velocity insurance packages, those managed packages under the installed package, right? But if you still want to install those packages, since you have already one production environment or sandbox environment running on those packages, then you can or install that as well. So I'll just show you the demo and how to do that in a step-by-step way. So I have already installed that package in my org. Let me just show you. And if I just search for Omnistudio, you can find this Omnistudio package is being installed in my org, and it is version of 260.7. And you want to install this package, right? Omnistudio package. And then how to do that? But the thing is that Salesforce, like Omnistudio is now since automatically managed by Salesforce in new orgs, even though package is not installed. So I have installed this package externally, but if the package is not visible under the install packages, but still all the components will be available in the background. So creating a custom app, then within the by default that custom app like Omnistudio app will not be available if I just search for Omnistudio. So this is created custom app, right? So you can just create a new custom app, and under that Omnistudio custom app you can simply add these tools like FlexCard, OmniScript, data mappers, integration procedures, then business rule engine tools like expression sets or lookup tables. So this is a custom app that I have created, and let me just show you that app, then I'll just show you how to install this package step by step. And from the quick find we can just simply search for app manager, and in the app manager I just need to search for Omnistudio. So you can see that this Omnistudio Lightning app type, and if I just edit this one, so we can see that in the navigation items we can find all the selected items here, right? So that's how we can just simply create this Lightning app to be available, and we can provide the name as well. In here we can provide the image or description kind of stuff, so we can just update. And in the user profiles, that is this is the main important part. This is system admin profile needs to be selected as a selected profile under this for this Lightning app Omnistudio, right? So this is how we can just create this custom Lightning app, and we can assign that to our profile. So now let me just tell me you like how to install that Omnistudio package. So to install that Omnistudio package, we have like certain prerequisite or pre-installation steps that we just need to verify in our org that are available. Those are like very basic in a pre-installation step that we just need to know about, that already already will be implemented in your case, but still you have to just re-verify that one before installing that Omnistudio package, right? So from I will add this to add these installation links and these pre-installation links in this video descriptions as well. But for your case you can just simply So from the browser, you can just simply search with Omnistudio Releases. Omnistudio Releases, and you can find this official help article from Salesforce, and on clicking on it, we can find this article, Omnistudio Releases. So as of Spring 25, the Omnistudio Managed Package link is provided only for the latest version. Patch releases are cumulative and you can use a patch for a new installations, right? And just after scrolling down a little bit, you can find these like a latest version, like this one, 260.6.2. So this is the latest version. You can just install by clicking on this either of these links. Like this is the production link, production package link, and the second one is the sandbox package link. And if I just click on this prepare to install the Omnistudio package, we can directly go to the steps that are required and to be checked before installing the package. So these are the very basic steps that we just need to verify that our requirements are fulfilling, like verify that your web browser and Salesforce version meet at least these minimum requirements. So these are the some few steps, and make sure you have the admin. Obviously you should have the admin profile in your for your user, and you should have your email address provisioned in your user, and the Salesforce CRM content needs to be enabled for your user. And these are the few steps, like these verify enable orders are there, like from setup. Like let me just show you. If you just from the quick find, if you just search for orders, so under this order management you can find this setup. So not this one, enable orders. Okay, so from the order settings you can find this enable orders is there. So this is all, this should be all means enabled by default, but please verify before installing the package. And this Salesforce CRM content, you can also search for Salesforce CRM content from the quick find, Salesforce CRM content. So under Salesforce file you can find the CRM content, and this should be enabled, right? And another settings is like enhanced email is automatically enabled in most organizations. Enabling the enhanced email setting makes the email message object available. Omnistudio tests a file that uses the email message object. So this should be automatically enabled for your case. And the last one prerequisite step just to verify, like a deliverability set to all email. So you just need to, from the quick find, you can just simply search for deliverability, and under this email section you can find this access level to all email, right? So this is how you can just complete your prerequisite steps to install the package before installing the package. So I'll just go back to this page again, this article page, Omnistudio Release. So if you have the sandbox, you can just click on the sandbox page and it will be redirected to a test URL. And if you have the production, then on clicking on production package, you will be redirected to a particular org, right? So on clicking on login, like if you have, after providing the credentials for your Omnistudio production org, you will be able to install that org. Like if I just click on this login, and it will redirect it to the installation page, and it will ask for like for which user you wants to install, right? Since my case it is already installed in the install package, it will take some take like 30 minutes time to install the package. So this will okay, let me just log in again. and you can see that your package my this package is already installed in my org. That is why it's showing this message like this app cannot be downgraded, right? Since already I have installed the latest version of the package, that is why it's showing like this message while installing. You will not get this kind of message since you will be installing for brand new, for your admin users, or for all users. Those kind of selections you will find in this page, right? So that's all for today's demo. I'll be uploading more tutorials and demo and uh, use cases on Salesforce, Omnistudio and Data Cloud topic, as well as Agentforce topics. So that's all for today's demo. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.